Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today I'll be making Toto. I have my ingredients here. I will list them down below. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's get started. The first thing I'm doing is combining my melted butter with my flour mixture. So I sifted my flour with grated nutmeg, cinnamon powder, a bit of salt and some baking powder. I also added the sugar and combined it with the flour mixture. Now I am adding my coconut and the coconut milk. I blended my coconut because I did not have coconut flakes and it is much easier this way to me and it is more natural. I'm just combining the flour mixture and the coconut until everything is properly incorporated. I'm about to add a little white rum, my vanilla essence and my almond and rose water mixture. Now I'm just going to mix until everything is combined properly. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I will list the ingredients in the description box, so check down below for the ingredients. I added the remainder of my flour off camera. So I'm just going ahead and combining until I don't see any raw flour powder. And I want it to have a pudding texture. This is my first time making Toto, so I hope this comes out well. So I'm just going ahead and adding the rest of my ingredients. Then I will show you the rest of the process. You can go ahead and use a mixture if you wish, but I prefer to do some things manually, so I prefer to use my spoon. Now that the mixture has the desired texture, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into my lightly greased aluminum baking pans. I'm using 4 8-inch baking pans and my oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to go ahead and bake for 1 hour. It might take less time or more depending on the speed of your oven. Just to look at that golden color, so ensure that the skewer that you use to test your Toto comes out clean when you insert it. That is how you will know that the Toto is done baking. So I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope my video helps someone. Until next time, bye.